Hi everybody, it's Diane Armitage. Just wanted to remind you that on Friday, October 7th, Tommy Collier is joining me again for a hot seat on mindset and momentum. Now, if you've been in one of these classes before, you know how much fun this class is, and you're going to learn a lot. We bring people up on the virtual stage and we help them through whatever their specific questions are. They're stuck on something, they've got obstacles, they've got people that are irritating and annoying them, they're overwhelmed with everything going on in the world around them. We're here to help you out. And then everyone else, of course, is listening in because you may find that a lot of it applies to you too, even if you don't get up on the hot seat stage. So just wanted to remind you, it's Friday, October 7th. And the great news is this is the end of my birthday month gifting. And of course, you're always going to get gifts from me throughout the year. But this is a free class. So all you have to do is request a Zoom link because everybody has to have their own individual Zoom link. DM me, send me a comment in social media, send me a reply in MailChimp when you see this in MailChimp, or just write me an email, diane@dianearmitage.com, and I will get you your own link for next Friday, October 7th. It's at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard, which is 2 p.m. Eastern Standard. We have people from all over the world who come in on this call, and it is really great to get your month moving in the right direction and really get solidified on that mindset and momentum. I will look forward to seeing you there. Make sure that you ask for a link. Talk to you soon. Make it a great day.